Hello traders, welcome to the weekend market update. Today 11th January, Nifty ends this week at 23,431 and Nifty Bank at 48,785. So before proceeding to our market update for the next week, let us discuss what is happening in the longer term in Nifty and Bank Nifty so that we can get some background idea. This is the chart I shared on 2nd November. I had two options. In both options, the price needs to decline. Okay. So this is the option for a smaller decline and the price should minimum reach 23,380. What is the level reached so far? 23,250. Got it? So this is the minimum expectation I shared on 2nd November. So in this option, I mark it as wave 3 of 3 itself not yet over. So I had this idea because I still believe Bank Nifty need to perform well, and even now I believe that Bank Nifty needs to move in 3 of 3. So to match with the Bank Nifty, I mark this Nifty still in 3 of 3. Okay, this 3 of 3, I mean the price just completed 3 of 3 of 3. This is the assumption I had. And as per the assumption, the price came to 23,380 minimum and the price bounced, but again the price is trading around that zone. But if the price wants to decline even more, this is the second option I shared on the same date, that the 3 of 3 already completed. Okay, this 3 of 3 of 3 already completed here, and this high was the slightly bigger time frame of 3 of 3. You can see the difference here. This 3 comes here. Okay, so in this case, the decline can even reach around 22,700 zone, 22,685 approximately. All these levels has been marked on 2nd November itself. The price reached the first level and bouncing and trading there. Okay, so these are the options I'm expecting in Nifty. So even if declines more, this should be the option, and after that the price needs to move higher. I still have the option of Nifty reaching 30,000 in coming months. So this is the background idea, but I'm still having this view, and based on the Bank Nifty only we can alter it. Okay, this is the background idea, and let us come to the next week update. See, the price at important support only, I still holding the same view. For that, the price needs to reverse from here itself. That means the price should not move below 23,260, this low point. Okay, you can check in your chart. The low is 23,263, approximately 23,260. The price should reverse above 23,260 itself for the new uptrend or a bigger bounce. Got it? But if the price touches the 23,260, then the important support range can be 23,260 to 23,130. You need to see how the price behaving there. If it is fast, the price may yet go lower to the next level. But if it comes slower, a highs and low, and not a bigger range, moving in a small range, then the price may take support between 23,260 to 23,130. Okay, this is the expectation for coming week. See, the first step is the price may reverse from here itself, but if the price touches 23,260, it has the possibility of support between 23,260 to 23,130. And based on the support, based on the bounce, then we may decide that's the completion of correction, or one more low may come to 22,650 or 22,550. These are the options. But this 22,650, 22,550 also I shared in November 2nd itself in the second option. Here you can see 22,685. Nothing new here. Okay, everything I shared in my YouTube and exposed everything, and also I shared everything with a reason. I had already shared the longer term view, and in regular weekend analysis and midweek market analysis, I'm approaching the current level with the longer time frame analysis. That's all. This is the longer time frame view. Nothing I changed as of now. I don't see a bigger correction as of now. Okay, even though if it comes 22,680, 600, the price should reverse. So this is the understanding I am having now. For that, we need to see how the price reacts here. I hope you are clear. The price may take support from here itself or the important level of 23,260 to 23,130. If the price moves below faster, we can expect these levels also after a bounce or something. Then we may decide later. But primarily, I'm expecting a support around this zone. Okay, this is the zone for support I'm expecting. Maybe right from here or in these levels. So this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty. See, in Bank Nifty, I want to say one thing. I expected support here itself around 49, 500, 400 levels because this is the minimum expectation for this pattern. See, many analysts share these levels or sharing these views only after the confirmation of pattern. I shared here, okay, on 12th October. When the price trading here, I said that the price has the possibility of reaching here. Even in previous video also, I explained the concept. I expected the 48,000, 49,000 here itself, but the price moved higher. And because of the reason I said these are the important levels for one more lower and exactly happened. The only thing is I started expecting a support from here because that's the minimum expectation. I'm going with my analysis only. Okay, I'm not here to say everything I analyzed right. No one can do this. But we expected even the pattern before happening. See, it is an uncommon pattern. And even this we expected on 12th October. I shared that particular clip here, which we discussed in our YouTube video on 12th October about all these levels. Here, the price came little below, even if you see just a week. Okay, came below our low point. So this low, okay, this low can be a important clue for coming days. So how it can be? In my experience, most of the times, if this happens, there is a chance of the price to come one more lower. I'm saying even below this point, below this low of 49,500. Okay, let us see. This is not any recommendations. These kind of price actions I have experienced before, so I'm expecting it to happen again. That's all. These are not any trading recommendations. This is just my view. So because of this low, I'm expecting one more low may happen in this decline, and the price can be an expanded flat. And expanded flat, the C should come below this below A point, and this is the minimum requirement to touch. If the price continues faster, we may expect 49,300 to 48, what is it, 650 approximately. The price needs to take support and the price needs to move higher from this. So this is the primary expectation now. Right. So based on this update, I'm just again going with the same analysis which we discussed on 12th October. The price should reverse. So this is the expectation, because if the price does not reverse, and all these impulse waves and longer term bullish view will be questioned. Okay, we have a lot of space here for Bank Nifty. Yes, I agreed, but we will see level by level. So this is the update on Bank Nifty. I expect some sort of support in coming week, as I said in Nifty. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty are at important support. Either a bounce or reverse may come from this week. Possibly a bounce and one more low, and the price may start moving higher. This is my expectation now. The levels I marked here was 48, 480, 479, 48, 480 levels. And if that level does not support, we can expect 48,200 to 48,015. Okay, 48,200 to 48,000. So this is the important levels for support, even for reversal. So below these levels, we need to see how the price are moving. Let us move to the hourly chart to decide to expect what we can forecast for next week. See, this Bank Nifty I shared on 9th Jan. Price taking support around 49,300, which is our second level of support. See, I removed this line. You can see here, this 49,300 and 48, 650, 850, all these levels are discussed in our 12th October or in each and every video, friends, in each and every video during October, I said this. This kind of analysis and levels we already discussed well ahead of time, and I'm not here to prove myself, but I'm just saying. Fine. The price still moving in an ending diagonal. See, this should reverse. Okay. Normally reverse, but something is happening in Bank Nifty. Usually it will not behave like this. Possibly if there is no bigger gap down, the price should give a bounce. So this is the expectation, and see clearly what I said here. The price needs to come out of this range tomorrow. See, in our midweek market update also, what I said was, for confirmation, the price needs to come out of this channel, right? I said the price not came out, the first thing. And I said the minimum the price needs to cross above this range and this high and this high. The price not even come out of this range. Then automatically the price is taking some other pattern or consolidating or even going lower. These are the alternatives. But even now, it can be treated as an ending diagonal, okay, because the price is squeezing and see these kind of patterns. If there is no gap down below these levels, okay, the price may possibly reverse. That is what my expectation, not my trading advice. So considering all this, and I think if the price gets support here, the price may reverse, and there is a chance of one more low to 48,000, between 48,200 to 48,000, and the price may start moving higher. Okay, there is a possibility of head and shoulders here. Yes, I agree, but sometimes in wave 4 or some expanded flats, it's looked like a head and shoulders only. So as of now, I'm not thinking about deeper correction. So the price should reverse around these zones. If there is no gap down on Monday, bigger gap down, the price may start giving a bounce, and it may even move higher or one more low and start reversing. So this is my primary view. Some sort of consolidation it may take, and the correction may get over around here, around 48,500 to 48,000. That's the expectation in Bank Nifty now. So simply, if there is no big gap down in Monday, we can expect a reversal or a bounce, and possibly a bounce and one more low is possible by seeing Bank Nifty. So in coming weeks, the correction may get over and start reverse to the upside. When the price moves below these levels in fast manner, in Nifty, these levels 22, 650, 500, if it comes, and Bank Nifty is very close. So if these levels not supports, then only we need to expect the alternate conditions. But as of now, I am expecting support in the markets in coming 1 or 2 weeks in this range, and the price may reverse. Okay, and okay, this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And with regard to the commodities, say crude oil, the price moved as per expectation, and the price touches the trend line. This is what we discussed. And even if you notice, I set this line as the temporary stop around 75.5. You can see the video. I said around 75.5, it can stop and a pullback, and the price may start moving higher to touch the trend line. This is what the analysis I shared. A pullback and move higher, and this is what happened. A pullback and touches the trend line. The expectation was 77, and the price touches our important support. Now the price needs to come out of this zone. Okay, then only we can expect a higher rise. Okay, this will become a resistance now. This zone around what is this high? 78.5, approximately 78.5 can be the resistance. We need to see a pullback and crossing above this high, or a pullback and touches and coming back again and moving higher. Okay, some sort of resistance may play here in crude oil, and the price needs to minimum cross above this zone 78.5 and 80 to much more highs to 84.5. Okay, so for the coming weeks, there is a possibility of some sort of sideways or correction in crude oil, the price needs to come out above 78 for more highs. Okay, if directly comes above 78, yes, the price may move higher. Okay, so this is the update on crude oil and natural gas. See, this is the chart I explained, and even I marked these kind of structures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the expectation I shared in previous week natural gas, and as per the expectation, the price bounced, okay, from 3.23 to $3.72. If the price wants to move lower, it may reject and start declining. Okay, this is the expectation. It is invalid. The view is invalid above this previous high, right? Around the same zone or 3.8687, the price can take resistance, and we need to see how it rejects. And this can be confirmed only below 3.20. So this is the expectation for natural gas, and the invalid above 4.05. And this is silver. See, the price still not crossed this level, 30.75. And if you notice, in daily chart, the particular correction is some sort of wave 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why I said, if you remember when the price was trading here, I said the price may take any shape because it is wave 4. And this one is not seems to be a triangle as of now. So that's why I expected the price to touch $28 to $27, because triangle means it will move sideways totally. This not suggest a triangle kind of pattern. So I expected some other corrections and expected the price to come lower. So now the price is holding our expected level, but if the price crosses this high, you can use this channel line to confirmation. Okay, I still believe there is a chance of coming one more lower to $28 to $27, but gold also slightly giving some doubt. So to clarify that, I am having this trend line. Okay, have this trend line and see how the price reacts. As I said, only crosses above this point 32.38, then we can expect the highs, because still some sort of correction is missing in this silver, $28 to $27. But let's see, even it can end the correction here if it moves above this high. Okay, so let us see this channel and decide. If it rejects, the price may still continue as per our original view, and only above this point 32.42, the upside is possible in silver. So gold, again, see the same thing as I explained in our previous week. This is 1, 2, either 3 completed here or not. Okay, this is what I said, and either 3 completed here or the 3 needs to move higher, or already 3 completed, the 4 is taking any complex pattern. Okay, this is the primary expectation. Okay, this is what we discussed in our weekend video also, and for that, my primary expectation is the price should reverse from here so that it will match with the silver. So the silver can also reach $27, $28 if comes, and the gold also reaches to 2450 zone, 2400 zone for good support, and the price may start moving higher. So this is the primary expectation, and all this can be valid only below this line. Okay, around 2552, 2550. Okay, but seeing the price action, it is moving sideways. The price can reverse from here or moving higher and coming lower. Okay, I think the price somehow will come to 2450 to 2400 in this correction, either in this expanded flat or either this 3 itself not completed. Got it? So primarily, I'm expecting a rejection in the gold to reach the 2450 like this, but if crosses this new high, the price may move even much higher and come lower. And I repeat, all these levels are only to learn the Elliott waves. Please don't take it as any sort of buy or sell recommendations. First, we expect a bounce, some stop in the decline. So I'm expecting the stop in decline in coming weeks. A bounce and one more low coming or not, that we may decide, but I still believe these are the points I'm expecting currently in the Bank Nifty to take support and move higher. So this can be confirmed once this price crosses above this neckline. Okay, if it is head and shoulders, this neckline point is important resistance. If the price after taking support here or here moves above this line of 49,000, 50,000, take it as 50,000, then we can expect a new all-time highs in Bank Nifty in the coming months. So this is the view. I not changed in as of now. I not changed my view in Nifty also. These are the options I shared in November. Okay, even 2nd November, and in Bank Nifty I said these levels in October, October 12. So everything we identified in well ahead of time. Okay, even these levels, these exact resistance we predicted, and the only thing is I expected support here because this is the minimum expectation. You can identify in a small clip, right? I said that in these type of corrections, the price should minimum come below this point. While coming this zone, I could see some ending diagonal, okay, ending diagonal kind of things. So I automatically expected uh, uh, the price at important support and should reverse, and still now the price moving in a particular way. So these are the reasons for my analysis. So if you want to learn Elliott waves in the most practical way, okay, uh, I think no one said in October these levels, and this is uncommon pattern, and this resistance, this support, everything we analyzed well ahead of time, and in Nifty also. See, everything was predetermined. 23,380 minimum requirement. In both the cases, we are expecting a correction. If it is a bigger correction, a small change in count, and the expectation is these levels. So, with the help of Elliott waves, you can forecast and predict what is happening and what may happen in the future. If you wish to become an expert in Elliott waves, and if you want to learn the advanced study in the simplest form, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. And if you really like my approach, and if you really like my analysis, you can support me by subscribing the channel, like and share the video with other traders so that they can also learn the waves in the most practical way. Festival week is ahead. I wish you all a very happy festival days. எல்லாருக்கும் பொங்கல் வாழ்த்துக்கள். I wish you all success in this 2025. Trade safe. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Thank you.